friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn rules for plural nouns. The first rule of plural noun is most of noun add s to form plural noun. Means in the most of the nouns we have to add s to form plural noun. Like a ball, balls. We add the ball, we have add s, and the word that is made balls, means it is plural form. Then the next noun that end with ch, sh, ch, x, z, s or double s and es. For example, wish, wishes, box, boxes. Means any noun that is ending with sh, ch, x, z, s or double s, we have to add es. Like in the wishes, the word is ending with sh. Then we have add es like that. And in the box like that only we have add in the o. X, C, X, 10 with X. So we have add ES. The third rule of plural noun is noun that end with vowel plus Y add S. Add S. Means the noun that is ending with vowel plus Y. Means first vowel then Y. We have to add S. For example, toy, toys. Day, days. In the toy, we have seen the T and O Y. Toy. In the O, that is vowel, and the Y. In the rule of that, noun that ends with vowel plus Y. So there is O and Y, so we have add S. The next rule for plural noun is noun that end with consonant plus Y, change Y to I and add es. Means noun that is ending with consonant plus Y, change Y to I and add es. Means we have to remove Y and add ies. Like the example is baby, babies, lady, ladies. In the baby, the B is consonant and the Y in the Y. B is a consonant and Y is there. So we have removed the Y and add ies. Now the fifth rule is noun that end with vowel plus ffe, change ffe to ves. Means noun that is ending with vowel plus fe. We have to remove f and fe and add ves. For example, wife, wives. In the wife, the I is vowel and fe. So there is fe. So we have removed the fe and write ves. Then now the sixth one is noun that end with vowel plus o and s. Means the noun that is ending with vowel plus o, we have to add s. Like for example, radio, radios. Means in the radio there is vowel and o. So we have add s. Now the next one is noun that end with consonant plus o. We have to add es. In this we have add s and there was vowel, and in this there is consonant and we have to add es. Means the noun that is ending with consonant, we have to consonant plus we have to add es. For example, potato, potatoes. In the potato, T is consonant, so and there is O also, so we have to add es. Now we will see some singular and plural nouns. First is princess, princesses. Then beach, beach. Now we will see some singular and plural nouns example. First is princess, princesses. Then beach, beaches. Zoo, zoos. Leaf, leaves. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will have some fun, and like this only we will have enjoy, and bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.